Hello team, for this sharing topic, I would like to introduce you guys how to detect the vulnerability issue into your open source application. And the vulnerability issue today I would like to introduce is the CVE 2022-45047, which impact into the AVG SSHD with version from less than and or equal to the version 2.9.1. You can read this information very details in this website, or you can check this issue in the NVD website, which declare a lot of the information related to this vulnerability issue. And you can see it was gone to 0.9.8. It set a critical. This means if your application is used this class, it should be prioritized to fix in advance. So um, with this issue, I would like to introduce this issue which impact to the SonarQube, which is the community version. And if you check into the community version website, you can see they also mention about this vulnerability issue. And they said that this vulnerability issue is not produced by SonarQube by itself. It was used by the third party. It is third party named SVN kit. So that means SonarQube use this SVN kit to use the SVN SSH protocol as a client. So if you check this based on this information, you can try to pull the support from the SonarQube community, and you will see here I already got the support, and I already checked out the versions 9.9.3, and you see here the SPN keys is used here. So it is now called the version 1.10.9. So this means this version is still not fit the issue yet. To demonstrate this is not fit yet, you can check the SVN shortcut, SVN kit. You can see here you can pull the SVN kit shortcut into your local workspace, and you can see here I now checking the version 1.10.10. You can see the ability SSSD is still used for both core and command is still use the same version 2.8.0. And if you check into the ABG's website, they also mention about the physics version. The physics version is now for running in the version 2.9.2. So that means if your application is use this Slack, you should upgrade this version to or 2.9.2. And if you use Maven, it shows you the way how to fix this, and you just similar add the Maven dependency like this into your BOM files, for example. And in the case you use Cradle for compiler your code, you just similar declare like this. And yes, yeah, based on this, you can also check the version from the Docker Hub. In Docker Hub, it also mentioned about the SonarQube officially is image as well. For example, if you check the 9.9 community version, and you will see the availability issue is still there. It's still not fixed yet. Here you can check this version. This is long-term support for a community version. And you can see here with the OS ARMD 64, you can see they declare the critical issue here, and the class is UE command 2A0. So now let's back to the SonarQube support, and let's check if the SonarQube already fits this version into their support. You can check here by pull support, and you can try to check out the version. For example, I will try to check out this version. And hopefully, when we check out this version, we will see the SVN kit in our chain to 1.10.11. Yeah, and now you can see the SVN kit is now point to the new version 1.10.11. So let's jump into the SVN kit. You can see SVN kit they declare the dependency into this build.gradle, and it's now because I'm check out the old version like this, and now I'm trying to check out the version 11, and hopefully they will call the class which fits the vulnerability issue on the version 2.9.2 here. So this means with this version, it already fits the vulnerability issue. So for SonarQube, with this version, they also call the new SVN kits with the version as the SVN kit support already changed to the new version of the SSSD, which fit the vulnerability issue. So up to this point, my recommendation for the change the fix of this vulnerability issue, maybe we have some ways to fix this vulnerability issue. You can pull the support from the community issue into your local workspace here like this, and you can try to update the SVN kit to the fixed version like this. And otherwise, I think it's simple way. You can check into the into the GitHub, into the Docker Hub, which SonarQube officially issues the fixed version into their Docker image. And for example, you try to check because we see that this version is already fixed the vulnerability issue, right? And now if you try to filter this version with the community tags, and here you can see I already filter this version, and you see here the critical issue is disappeared. So this means this version is already fixed. It's matched with the version we are checking out here. Yeah, I think there's many ways. So the recommend should be use the simple way like this. You can try to pull the shortcut into your workspace, and you can run this new update, new fixes the availability issue, and you can upgrade your edition into your organization. And in the case if you don't want to use the simple way that you pull the image into your organization, you can just simply try to use the specific version, and you can view the Docker file and you can view the Docker file on the community GitHub, and you can zoom into the GitHub. You can see the Docker file here. So based on the Docker file, you can try to update the change of the version. Here you can see if you want to use the specific version you want which fits the issue, you can try to check out it here, and you can try to build the the Docker file here, and you can reload the image into your organization, and the basic version or any version if you want, you can follow this link and you can download this. Okay, in the case if you want to update into the subquota, this is it seems that there will have many complicated steps. So from my point of view, this should be the people should use the officially image which fits this issue, Of course, with this physics version, it's still not off to the long-term support yet, but based on your decision, you can consider to work with the new physics version or not.